What is up, guys? Stromatic here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to install bots on the Hermes agent. So this is almost like Grokbot, but on Hermes. And we all know with Grokbot, you have to have like an ultra subscription. Whereas with Hermes, you can just have this running and have it running with either, the APIs that you give it or regardless, anything you want. So the thing is, this is quite easy, but I will also explain, how it works, how everything goes. So let's just close this up. And if we go over here to left in sessions, I'm going to show you guys. So I'm going to post a link for you guys in the description below. So with this link, it's just going to be right here. I'm going to have it posted in the description below, like I said. And all you're going to do is just paste this link and then say, can you install this for me in Hermes Agent, with any LLM that you want to use regardless. So it's going to put it in. And it's going to say it installed it successfully. And then it's not going to, sometimes it will come up immediately, but sometimes not. And it's going to be this little bot tab up here in the top left. And if it doesn't, all you have to do is hit Command K, right? And then you just do reload desktop plugins, right? And then when you press that, it's going to reload it super quick and it'll pop up here. And then when you go to it, you can press bots and you see I already have some created, and I'll show you guys how these really work super quick. So with Cheapy, or let's just do Researcher, for example. So Researcher, we have it here. These are pretty much just bots that you can have communicate with each other. So if I really wanted to, I could have Researcher speak with Storage Saver or Installer or YouTube Ski, in a way. It's almost like Buzz, but just a little more integrated within Hermes, so you can have your LLMs actually like talk with each other and execute stuff. Whereas with Buzz, it's a little more just kind of chat based, like a Discord server. But I'm going to start a new agent and show you guys how it looks, the whole entire setup process. So once you install bots, you can see here on the right side, you can actually create cron jobs for stuff. So reoccurring tasks, anything like that. But if you go down here in the bottom left and you press new agent, you can see it does have kind of like the same layout as other applications, which is awesome. You can also generate the kind of image that you'd want for your avatar to have. You can upload or just have a pet that you previously had or the pets that they have to offer. So you can see like paper ledger or stuff like that. So in this case scenario, I'm just going to show you guys a generate. So let's just do test model, right? And so we'll see just what it generates, nothing too crazy. Here you can have the name, right? So we'll just do tester. And then as a description, you can just have it, help you with whatever you'd like. So let's just, say you guys another video how to actually write proper SolMDs, because it's just going to help out a lot more. So here we have just like a little cool thing. You have the advanced, so you can, here's a SolMD that I was talking about. So you can take the UR YouTube, replace the generate persona. So you are a YouTube expert. And like I said, in another video, I'll be showing you guys how to actually create a proper SolMD that, you can use to your advantage. So like I said, you can either go here, bot, generate, whichever one you'd like. And then you would just hit create agent. Okay. And then once you do that, so here we have tester, and you can see it's just going to load up for a second. Hey, tell me about yourself. And it just says like what I do, click through rates, whatever, package first, your concept, your fix. So it's super, super cool from that sense. And I can have, like I said, tester, talk with Cheapy, installer. So let's like installer, for example, I have it, install certain things for me. I'll have it, whether it's install applications, uninstall applications. I can use Cheapy as like a super cheap LLM that allows me to do everything. The thing is, if you do, so at one point I did have this incident where I pressed up here, I don't know what I pressed, but it ended up just taking away sessions. So it's still here, right? But I pressed like something up here and it exited sessions out. Like, I don't know if maybe I clicked close or something like that. It didn't even look like this, but regardless, it was like that. And I realized I found the way to actually fix everything. You just press Command K and reset layout. When you press that, it'll bring everything back, which is awesome because trust me, I was here looking for it for a while. Also, if you've used Hermes before, pretty much all of these right here, all these profiles they have down here, these will all turn into bots. So you can kind of chat with them from that sense as well. So you'll have like all of that context saved, but also chat with them with each other and really however you want from that sense. So it's super cool. Like I said, this is almost like a new chatbot that they just actually implemented not too long ago, like actually Hermes did, but it's just like a Grok bot kind of, like I don't know how to call it, but like a application pretty much. So yeah, it's super cool, like I said, and you don't even have to really at them either. Like you can, like, let's say if I had tester like talk with YouTube Ski, right? So if I do right, like you can obviously at them, but I could just say like talk with YouTube Ski about my channel at Stromatic Labs, and you don't even have to like at Stromatic Labs is my actual app, but it'll actually talk with YouTube Ski without me actually having to at them. So I guess that does kind of help in a sense where you don't have to at them every single time, because you can easily forget. But you can see like now let me message YouTube Ski about your channel, and it'll talk about obviously like whatever you need to talk about, whether it is your channel, whether it is anything like that. So it's super cool, like I said. A big thing with these I would recommend is actually writing like a sole MD for each of them. So let's just say I go to cheapy and I edit the profile. And then I go down here to advanced. You can see you have the whole entire sole MD here. I have the steps for it, the tags, stuff like that. Like categories. So it's like the system index. Key concepts, intakes, indents or intents, stuff like that. The tone, the style, short, concise. But this all really depends on like how you want it to be, right? So each sole MD is gonna have to be different based on the agent. But you can see here, front YouTube ski, the YouTube architect, right? So that's what I have him as right now. Full channel audit complete, core issues, what YouTube ski is ready to do next, right? So generate a mock-up thumbnail, write a full script for you in Cloud Code in 60 seconds, stuff like this, right? So it's super helpful, like I said, and I really like it. Like I said, I definitely think you should install this on your Hermes agent. I don't think there's any disadvantages to this. I think there's only advantages. And like I said, if you do like the whole layout of Grokbot and you kind of like that sense, because technically, like, Hermes was already doing this, but this just adds like a nice little UI layout to it and just makes it a little easier for the average user and as well as, experts, professionals, stuff like that. So yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments below. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know as well. But yeah, as always, guys, it's the one and only Stromatic. Peace.